Hello students, this is Srikanth Tatavarthi. You watching Srikanth Adil Chemistry. In this video, we are discussing about basicity of amines. So, basicity of amines. This is also application of inductive effect. Actually, we already discussed in S6 strength in a previous video. So, to give the more S6 which substance having more S6 strength, that is easily release the H plus ions, like that. Which substance can have more basic strength, that is easily donate the lone pair of electrons to the proton. So basic strength or basicity of amines is explained based on donating of lone pair of electrons to the proton. So explains. On the basis of donating lone pair of electrons to H plus ion, we call as a that is more basic strength. Actually, when the base gaining of donating of lone pair of electrons, or when a base gaining of proton, it can form the conjugate acid. So in the other way, we can say the basic strength is depends upon stability of conjugate base. It depends on stability of conjugate base. So if the stability of conjugate base increase, then basic strength increase. At the same time, the basic strength increase with increasing of Kb value and decreasing of pKb values. So these are some basics about the basic strength of amines, and that in terms of inductive effect, the basic strength is increase with the presence of plus I groups, or increasing of plus I effect, and decrease with increasing of minus I effect. So simply we can say basic strength is directly proportional to plus I effect and inversely proportional to minus I effect. So this is about the basic strength. So once again listen, the basic strength can be explained based on the donating of lone pair of electrons towards H plus ion. So if the given substance can easily donate the lone pair of electron toward the proton, we call as strong base. At the same time, the basic strength of any substance is depends upon stability of its conjugate base. If stability of its conjugate base increase, then basic strength also increase. At the same time, the basic strength increase with increasing of dissociation constant like Kb, and decrease with the increasing of pKb values. And basic strength is directly proportional to plus I effect and inversely proportional to minus I effect. So here I just give some examples for this. First I take the example 1, and that is NH3 CH3 NH2 CH3 CH2 NH2, then CH2 NH2 NH2. So this is the compound 1, and this is compound 2, and this is compound 3, and this is compound 4. Okay. So when I arrange these compounds based on order of their basic nature or basic strength, order of basic strength, if you see this, the basic strength of any compound is directly proportional to plus I effect. So here it is a reference substance. Here we have one methyl group, it is plus I group, and it is ethyl, this is also plus I group. Here we have amino, this is minus I group. So minus I group decrease the basic nature, and this is reference structure. When compare the second and third one, in the second one we have methyl group, and in third one we have the ethyl group. ethyl group is having more plus I power when compared to the methyl group. So then order is third one is more basic nature, after second one, after first one, and fourth stage is at last. So this is the order of basic nature of given compounds. So when you go for the next example, so this is the first compound. And this is the next compound. And this is the next compound. So 1, 2, 3. When you arrange these compounds based on their basic strength, if you take the order of their basic strength, okay, then if you see the order of basic nature, it is a reference structure. So here we have nitrogen and here we have oxygen. So oxygen is a high electronegative atom. So high electronegative atom. So if electronegativity is increased, then if you take the order of their basic nature due to high electronegativity, so if electronegativity is increased, it can be donate the it can withdraw, it can acting as a more withdrawing power. So high electronegativity, more minus I power, low electronegativity, less minus I power, and this is reference structure. So the minus I group decrease the basic nature, so then order of the basic strength. Okay, due to high electronegativity, due to presence of electronegative atoms, they can be acting as a low basic strength compounds. Okay, they can be remove the electrons. Okay, next example. So this is the next example. In this example, we have 5 structures is there. So in these 5 structures, we need to arrange the based on their order of basic strength. So if you take the order of their basic strength, if you see this, the first one is reference structure. Here we have the plus I group, and NO is minus I group, CN is minus I group, and CHO also minus I group. So third, fourth, and fifth structure consist of minus I groups. So the minus I groups decrease the basic nature. So third, fourth, fifth structures are having less basic nature when compared to the reference structure. And second structure, we have a plus I group. The plus I group increase the basic nature. So second structure is more basic strength after first one. After in this NO is the strongest or more minus I power. After CN minus I power, and CHO is less minus I power. So this is next highest basic compound after fourth one, and at last is a third one. So this is the order of basic strength of given organic compounds or amines. Okay, next basicity of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Basicity of primary, secondary, tertiary amines. So when you observe the basicity of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines, in the gaseous state, the basicity of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines is always constant. So in gaseous state, the basicity of primary, secondary, tertiary amines is in the order of tertiary is more basic, after secondary is more basic, after primary is more basic, and ammonia at last. So this is in a gaseous state. At the same time, if you observe in a aqua state, it will be changed. In the aqua state, the order of basicity of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines are changed based on the alkyl group. For example, if R is equal methyl group, in place of R, you can take the methyl group. Then the order of their basicity secondary amines are more stable than primary amines, I mean more basic nature than primary amines, and primary amines are more basic than tertiary, and ammonia is at last. Suppose in place of R you can take the ethyl group, then order is secondary amines are more basic than primary amines, and primary amines are more basic than ammonia, and ammonia is more basic than tertiary amines. At the same time, if you take R is equal to C isopropyl CHCH3 taken to, then order of basicity primary is more than ammonia, and ammonia more than secondary, and secondary more than tertiary. At last, for is equal, if you take the tertiary, I mean neo butyl, so then order is ammonia is more basic after primary, after secondary, and after tertiary. So this is the order of primary, secondary, tertiary amines in the aqua state when alkyl group is changed. But in the gas state, for any alkyl group, the order is similar, that is the tertiary is more than secondary, secondary more than primary, primary more than ammonia. So this is about the basicity of basic strength of amines based on the inductive effect. In the next video we are discussing about electromeric effect. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel, please like and share my videos. Thank you.